Hi there, welcome back. My name is Emily. Yeah, MLE, just the letters. If you are new to this YouTube channel, then you're probably here from Instagram, and so I welcome you, dear followers. I appreciate each of you so much. You raise my self-esteem by like 20% every day. So, it's been a while since I've posted here, but I'm hoping to make this a more regular thing, considering I don't have a lot else to do. So here is a video of me drawing one of my OCs, Julian. He's pretty cool, he can see the future, but I don't know what his other power is. Next to him is Kyle, he's got fire, and he can talk to spirits, the dead, and other. Yeah, if you want to see more of these, please do comment. I'll take requests. I will make tutorials if you like. This is just kind of a process video, but I can show you how I actually break down structure and proportion to develop my own personal style so that maybe I can help you develop your original style too. In the background is literally just me messing around on the guitar with a song that I wrote in Open D. If you want to try and figure it out, be my guest. If you want a whole other channel with my music, that exists. So if you dig what you hear, just again, let me know in the comments. Whatever you want. I am at your disposition. I am your genie, here to fulfill your wishes. So that's all I've got to say. Enjoy the tunes, enjoy the view. Yeah, hope I entertained you a bit today. So have a good one. From me, see you soon.